Hi people. It's been a really long time. I haven't come live with anybody or just by myself. So I thought, chalo aaj live karte hain. How is everybody? What is happening? So apparently I got ready for something and that something didn't happen. So hi Namit. And am I back from Melbourne? No, I am still in Melbourne. But it's nice. Hi, so. Oh, I have a lot of people today. How is everybody? It's been a long, long time. Okay, so pretty. Thank you. क्या अच्छा मैं बोल तो रही हूँ सॉरी मैंने मैसेजेस नहीं पढ़े थे वेर यू फ्रॉम फ्रॉम मुंबई इग्नोर नहीं साउथ को इग्नोर कैसे करूँगी मेरा प्यारा भाई ओ लॉर्ड शुरू हो गए लोग थोड़ा सा Okay, so let me tell you guys about what I am doing here till you guys start questioning. So, I am doing absolutely nothing because we are under lockdown again. So, we have absolutely nothing to do. So, I am so bored. I have only been working out, cooking, doing dishes, dancing sometimes, and talking on video call with people, but that is all. What's up with you guys? What you doing? So I miss you too. This weekend we are video calling each other and we are talking. Hi Ananya. Josh, where are you? I am in Melbourne. Hi Tanya. Thank you. Cute nose. I get that a lot. Thank you. Hi Webhav. Miss you guys. I miss you all. It's been really long time I haven't seen you guys. Let's see who all are here. I'm gonna say hello. Hello Mr. Rahul, how are you? My favorite producer. I'm glad I heard that we've started shooting back in Umargaon, and I hope you guys are staying safe. Lots of love and wishes to the whole Swastik family. I am good, guys. How are you guys? What you guys doing? Tell me. Okay. Guys, I only see hello from you guys. Please, let's do some nice question answering round. It's been such a long time. So let me tell you. Now that we have the lockdown here in Melbourne. My phone. Sorry. So Melbourne is in lockdown and we have nothing to do. So I am at home. I go out for walks sometimes. Go for a run sometimes. But that is all. Lots of love, Mr. Rahul. Thank you. I'm fine. I have been cooking so much these days. But the same old. Now that I'm on diet, I only cook brown rice and eggs. But that's about it. So yeah, it's been really boring. To you all. Okay, let's start reading questions. Rohit, it's going good, yeah? How are you doing? Thank you. Thank you, Ananya. Little Ananya. Back from Australia? No, still here. Good to see you doing good. Thank you. Skating? Oh no, yeah, but skateboarding. Yeah, I'm learning. I was learning skateboarding. Now I can't because bahar jana band ho gaya and that skateboard was not mine. I didn't own it, so I could have bought it. I am also going to learn the thing. Okay, I can't think of the word right now, but so I'm bored. Absolutely doing nothing. So what I thought, I have been in the house for continuous 4 days and didn't do anything, and yesterday I was so sad and low. So I thought, let's do something interesting. So because we have nothing interesting to do, I woke up, I put on makeup, I curled my hair, I got all dolled up, and then I did the same dishes, I cooked food. But it made me feel good because I'm looking pretty, I think. What do you guys think? Do I look pretty? My God. So because I'm so bored, I have no energy left. Oh, no, I had a lot of energy left. So all the energy is coming out right now. But पता है क्या, मैं अपने आप को एंटरटेन करने के लिए, खुश रखने के लिए बहुत कुछ चीजें कर रही हूँ. So because I realize there's no point in getting low. So let's do something happy. So I started using this app called Rizzle, in which I update every day what I do and about my skincare, about my hair. So I'm losing a lot of hair here because the water is hot. But no worries, I still love Australia, and I will keep loving Australia till I go back to India right now because I think it is safe. And I can't wait to get back home. I miss my parents, I miss my friends. Okay, बस मैंने अपना बहुत बोल दिया. बॉम्बे कब आओगी? जब फ्लाइट्स खुलेंगी. फिलहाल तो फ्लाइट्स नहीं खुली हैं, सारी फ्लाइट्स बंद हैं. So not anytime soon. Any questions? Anything you guys want to say? Ask. You are my darling. Aww. What brought you to Melbourne? So I was here to travel and a little something that I can't discuss now. So then I got stuck because of COVID. But it's nice. I'm happy. Yeah. I just couldn't see a lot of Victoria because everything got shut. I wanted to go to Hot Spring Peninsula Hot Spring. I wanted to go to Grampians. I wanted to see Dandenong Ranges. But I saw the 7 Apostles. So at least one thing I saw. So it's fine. Wanna see you dance, Rohit? I have not danced in years now, but I really wanna dance. You can organize an online contest for fans. Oh yeah, we could think about it. But I don't know, how do I give things to you all if I do a giveaway also? इतना scary है, मैं giveaway भी नहीं कर सकती. So, okay, मैं ना धीरे धीरे messages पढ़ रही हूँ because मुझे बोलने में इतना टाइम लग रहा है हर किसी एक आंसर सवाल के जवाब देने का. तो मैं धीरे धीरे आप लोगों को बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है? When you coming back to India? I think September, I guess. Ravi, hi. I am sorry I didn't read your messages earlier. Are you good at cooking? I am very good at cooking. Haha, Grisha. And मैं नहीं, सब बोल रहे हैं, मतलब मेरे जो housemates हैं वो. Where are you from? Binny, I am from Mumbai. Prince, yeah, thank you. Hi, you're looking gorgeous. Thank you, Jamie. Vijay, when are you coming back? Hi. You are looking so cute, like your hair. Oh, thank you. एक बार पीछे भी दिखा दो. पीछे क्या दिखाऊं यार? White wall है खाली. My name is Hari. Please say hi. Hi, Hari. Surprise रख दे जो सीखने वाली है. Oh, हाँ. I loved you on Sanjeevni. Thank you, Nubs. There's at least somebody who's saying that because people hated me in the villain wala role. Thank you, Anku. Prapti, hi. I'm not sad. I was because बोल जाते ना घर पे बैठे बैठे, but I'm not sad anymore. You are simple if you are in the chat. Huh? But I'm sure something must be nice, so thank you. Hi Palak or Asha, how are you? I am good. Durgamma Nuvana Cheppamma. Ante? You should start a YouTube channel. I am going to. Apparently my editor is just way too busy. Ananya, I love you too. So very wanted to see you in Mel, but lockdown happened. Okay. Hi, Sheetal. How are you? So sorry, I am so laid back in reading people's messages. My God, I'm sure half the people must have left already. Damn. Triton Beach, I miss you guys so much. I cannot wait to come back to Maldives and chill with you guys. You guys have given me the best treatment ever, and I cannot forget those beautiful 5 days of my life. I love you, Triton Beach and Spa. Guys, if you are in Maldives, go to Triton Beach. They have the best Indian food, the best, I was going to say crew, the best staff, the best service, and their massage parlor is crazy. Y'all must have seen my pictures of Maldives, so y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, Rahul, bye-bye. Biryani? No, I'm not very fond of biryani. Ma'am, can you go on a date with me? Lovely. I would love to go on dates. Sab band ho chuka hai, ab sab chalega. From last how many years are you been? It's Feb, March, April, May, June, July. 6 months. It's been 6 months I'm in Australia. Please say something about Harshad. Harshad, he's a wonderful friend. Jennifer, I love her. She's amazing. What are you doing in Melbourne? I got stuck here. Let's plan a screen. Oh, Purvesh, hi, what's up? Yes, please. Yaar, sab kuch khulne to de. Nakul, why am I single? Because I make wrong choices in life, and all my choices are so bad that I think I'd rather be single. Single is better, satisfying, happy. Anyway, my upcoming moving name, Naku tell tu. Please organize a challenge contest. Definitely, I will think about it. That's amazing idea, Ananya. Where are you from? I'm from Mumbai. Hi, Ashwarya. I'm good. How are you? Hi. What movies were you in? I have done 2 Telugu films. One is called Radham. Another one is called Diksuchi. Hi, how do you think it will be like COVID-19 travel? Oy hoy, I don't want to think about it also. I'm really scared. I have to stay quarantined for 14 days. I have to wear all those masks for 16-hour flight. Oof, it's going to be kidding. What about, say, on nepotism? Oh, nepotism. Are you talking about the movie nepotism that my producer is coming up with, or actual nepotism? Hey, Pitala, Srinivas, amazing. We have our birthdays together. I wish you, you wish me. Cool. I miss you guys too. Hi Mohit. Hi Zen. Hi Kaur. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Nice. Hindi. मैडम मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती. राम राम जी कैसे हो? मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हो? Belpasi, anyone know about? Huh? Couldn't react to your story, but haven't the Simpsons? I know, and I swear this is the only reason I'm watching Simpsons Nava Unofficial, because this is what I had heard. So I saw the Corona part and I was like, हाँ यार लोग सच बोल रहे थे. Prichi, thank you. Hi, can you say something about Sanjeevni? Sanjeevni was one of my favorite shows. I love that show. That show has been a very important part of my life. And it came at the right time where I needed the most. So, yeah. You look very pretty, quacky Chani. Please tell me about my post. I love the post, Ravi. Thank you so much. A beautiful post. Hi, everybody in Maldives. How are you guys? Okay, I have to start reading messages quickly because my friends have been saying hi and then they go away by the time I read to their messages. Just give me 2 minutes. All my friends, please stay just in case you guys have messaged. Shut up, Navneet. Also, lots of love to you. Please, hi, Sophie. Tried reaching out to you, ma'am. I was in Melbourne, so happy to see you there. How sweet. But I'm not getting out of the house. No, thank you, guys. My name is Hi Sweetie. I like your name. How sweet is your name, Sweetie? One request, please upload that one picture that you put on story near laptop desk. Oh yeah, okay. What about Bhagwan Nani is my surname. क्या होगा मेरे नाम के बाद लगाए तो मेरा सरनेम ही होगा ना. Navneet, I am cute because I am cute. मैं थक गई. Chania, love you very, very much. Lots of love. Lots of love from Pakistan. Lots of love to Pakistan. And people showing middle fingers can fuck off. How are you, Chandni? I am doing good, Hassan. And I don't know when am I back. DGX Entertainment. Hello. One more for Salman Khan. I love him. First. Okay. We miss you. Can't wait to see you again. I cannot wait to see you guys again. Thank you, Sophie. Roshni. Yes, let's do. Could you DM me as soon as the lockup shuts so we can get out? When do you come live with fun? I know. I was busy doing nothing. That's why I didn't come live. Oh, Jali Anjali is one of my favorite shows too. Woo, sexy. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is taking too long. My birthday. Yes, love, I know. My favorite YouTuber, mostly sane. I love Prajakta. She's so cool. How are you? I am fine. How are you guys? So excited to see in Bollywood films. शुरू हो जाए, बस सब शुरू हो जाए. Thank you, Roshni. Please, could you DM me? Could you DM me? Oh, so bus driver, I was really angry. I don't want to think about it. It really makes me sad. Sorry, I'm skipping a lot of questions. Rinky, hi! मेरी कायरा. नीति भी होगी, वो भी चली गई. Perfect. You are Sindhi, I'm Sindhi. Random fine life. Hello. Sorry, what? Hello from Australia. Hello to Australia. Oh, thank you. Chani, you're very gorgeous. Planning to come to Hyderabad. I don't know about Hyderabad anytime soon. My favorite YouTuber. Would you love to go to... definitely. Why not? Molecule 9? Who is this Molecule 9? Oh, sorry. Get back to work. Hello. Hi. When are shoots? I have no idea. I can't wait for shoots to start so I do some work. You're so sweet, baby. Sweet ka spelling SWWT, sweetie. Short hair or long hair? My mom would let me cut my hair, so long hair, but I want to get it cut once. When you coming to India? पता नहीं यार, पता नहीं. लखनऊ पे इंडिया आ जाऊं फिर लखनऊ. मेरा nickname क्या है? Because I talk a lot. My nickname, my parents kept Mithu, which is a parrot, and I talk a lot. You are very eager to shoot. You have no idea. It's been I don't know how many months I haven't shot. Today you are acting at the same way I saw you. You are acting in a way. मुझे लगता है मैंने इंग्लिश सिखाने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ले लिया है. सबको इंग्लिश सिखाते सिखाते खुद भूल जाऊंगी. आपका वेट यार, ये ऐसे बकवास होता सवाल नहीं पूछते. One subject you hate as a student. I hated history. बिकॉज उसमें बहुत सारे नंबर्स याद, मतलब ईयर याद रखने पड़ते थे, एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी बैड एट नंबर्स. बराबर. हाय शिवम, माय प्यारे जीजू, हाउ आर यू डूइंग जीजू? हाउ आर यू जीजू? जान खान, हाउ आर यू मेट? यार दिस इज अमेजिंग. आई एम रियली सॉरी कि तुम्हारे पेमेंट्स का सीन अभी तक आई कैन कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड, क्योंकि आई एम श्योर तुम्हारे मेरे साथ ये पहले भी हो चुका है कि हमारे पेमेंट्स अटक गए हैं. इट्स अमेजिंग जो तुम कर रहे हो यार. आई एम वेरी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू, बिकॉज बहुत मुश्किल होता है ये ऐसे टाइम गुजारना. एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ कैन पीपल जस्ट सिट विदाउट गिविंग पीपल द मनी देव अर्नड इट, वो भी इतनी मेहनत करके. सो आई जस्ट रियली होप, आई विश एंड आई प्रे कि यार तुम्हारे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए. सारे हमारी बहू सिल्क के जितने भी कास्ट वाले हैं उन सबके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए. आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू. किल इट बेबी. किसी को नहीं छोड़ना. लाइक सीरियसली किसी को नहीं छोड़ना. Yes, I'm so proud of you, Yarzan. And I'm so sorry that you have to go through this. Okay. I am talking about shoot regarding my shoot. Okay, Vistar, your shoot. But exactly सारे shooting ही halt हो गए ना यार. सब कुछ ही बंद हो रहा है. Your flatmates must be so lucky to share. Oh, so sweet, Khatri something. Your name is what? My God, I've been making these irritating sounds and irritating. Love you, Zan. And I'm very proud of you. May Allah give you lot of strength. मैंने फटाफट इतने सारे मैसेजेस पढ़ लिए कि अभी कुछ बचा ही नहीं है पढ़ने के लिए. इसके लिए मैं आराम से पढ़ती हूँ, पता है. But when are you? You are not. But where are you? I am in Australia. Deepak. Hi, Deepak. I totally forgot about this. Where I could come live with people. Thank you. I love you guys too. Hi Tanya, how are you baby? मैं वापस आऊंगी ना, that's when I will get your gift. यहाँ से भेजना मेरे को थोड़ा रिस्की लग रहा है. When I come back, I'm gonna get yours and Tanya's gift. ओके, तो जितनी एनर्जी मुझ में बची थी वो सारी की सारी खत्म हो चुकी है. तो अगर आप मुझसे सवाल पूछेंगे तो मैं अच्छे से जवाब दे पाऊंगी. रवि, यू आर द मोस्ट वंडरफुल फैन आई हैव got. Lots of love to you, Ravi. Lots and lots of love to you. Thank you so much for being such a nice fan. You've been such a great one of, like, you've been a great audience. And you've always been so nice to me. Thank you for all the videos that you've been making and all the photos that you edit of me. Thank you. Still your check not DM since you from your, sorry, still you are not. Acha, I haven't checked my DM since my birthday. No, I will check it today. I promise. Today I'm extra vella. Thank you guys. Nehu, do you wanna come live with me? See, I'm looking like a doll. Nehu is not here. Naveen, please do not kill me. I am extremely sorry. I have been here and there and everywhere and I couldn't even reply to your messages. And I did not even get back, which was really unprofessional and very bad on my part. I swear to God, I will call you tomorrow and we will do what we thought we will. Matlab, what we planned. So sorry, Naveen. I love you. Nehu, do you want to come live? No? Okay. So you say no to me here on the live also. That is the meanest thing you could do to me. I don't know the fuck's wrong with my English, man. Fuck's wrong with my English. मैम, आपने वेट लूज किया. हाँ, थैंक यू. बी आर्मिया. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आपको क्या अच्छा लगा? यहाँ के लोग, यहाँ की सड़कें, यहाँ का नहीं, वेदर नहीं, यहाँ के लोग, यहाँ की सड़कें, यहाँ के गार्डन्स, सब कुछ. हाय सौम्या, हाउ आर यू? हाय किरण. सॉरी नवीन, आई एम रियली एम्बैरेस्ड. सॉरी. Shanice, do some creative game shows. अरे game shows कैसे करूँ? I will once call my friend. Oh, do you wanna come live with me, Naveen? That'll be amazing. Fuck, you just left. Can you come live with me? Do you wanna come live with me?
My friend was here, now she's gone. No, she's here. Nihu. I don't know what am I high on. I'm just really happy because I'm looking pretty and I had a good day. Like not productive, just good. Hi. Hi, dost.
Hey, what?
How are you?
Uh,
कैसे हो?
can you see me?
I can see you, but you're very blurred. Now I can see you perfectly. Wow, so handsome.
Yeah. Handsome, it's in the blood. Who knows better?
Tell me about it. I know.
Oh man, I really, really wish to see you very soon. Even,
I
if we can
know.
do that virtually, I'm fine with that. But let's do it soon, very soon. Okay?
We are
And
doing
what
it
about?
tomorrow only.
Okay, cool.
कल ही
I
करेंगे.
was listening to that. I was listening to that song on a loop. Uh, Aditi Rao Hedri's song, and that's I really think that will look really nice on you. So let's do it very soon.
I know, I love that song. Let's do it tomorrow only. Matlab, we're doing it tomorrow. By Monday, let's give audience a nice treat.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Let them
Acha,
watch. Done है?
yeah,
बताओ.
I haven't tried these lovely filters we have here. Have you tried ये जितने भी हैं filters, the glares and stuff?
कोई ट्राई किया तुमने? मेरा फिल्टर भी ट्राई नहीं किया. मैं तुमको वापस भेजती हूँ, तुम दोबारा ट्राई करना मेरा फिल्टर. So cool. I haven't tried these. I look really funny and I don't want to look funny.
Listen, I'll be here for just 2 more minutes. मैं भाग रहा हूँ और play this with me.
ठीक.
जल्दी से. Never
What
have
is
I
it?
ever. ठीक
I
है?
can't see it. थोड़ा नीचे आना पड़ेगा.
अभी
हाँ.
अभी
हाँ, I
ठीक है?
can see you now. हाँ.
Okay, let's do it.
I love you for this. Thank you. Let's do this. How do you do this? How do you play this?
Yeah, I'm trying my level best to figure out how we do this.
I think this only happens when we record. नहीं तो नहीं होता.
Done it on
Have
live
you done
session.
this before?
Yeah, I have
Oh,
done.
you have. फिर ठीक है. Tap to change. You'll
Let-
have to tap.
Yeah, I did tap and hold, ना? सब कुछ किया, but
हाँ.
wait,
हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा.
I'm trying, huh? हाँ, I think अब होगा.
Okay.
Anyways,
For trying. No worries. Next time we'll figure this out and then do it. How do you do it, man? I know नहीं हुआ यार, नहीं हुआ.
yeah,
मैंने भी कुछ कोशिश की.
you also tried. So it's not
नेक्स्ट
happening.
टाइम
Yeah. I
करके
don't
मुझे
know why.
बताए. हाँ, ये देखो ना, नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं हो रहा. चलो,
कोई बात
anyways,
नहीं.
bye.
चलो.
Lovely with you all. और bye, Chan. Take care. Yeah.
Bye, bye. I'll call you tomorrow. Let's do this. So Naveen just left. He is a super cool actor and a lovely, lovely dancer and a very good friend of mine. और तो फिर बस कुछ नहीं. फिर हम कुछ साथ में करने वाले थे, फिर मैंने उसको डिच कर दिया. फिर वो हुआ नहीं. फिर पोपट हो गया. और फिर मैंने बहुत ही बुरी तरह से बिहेव किया. मुझे करना पड़ेगा. So यार मेरे को बताओ. Okay, so guys, you guys go on a lot of lives. Tell me if next time don't do live at this time. I have to ensure. Okay, baby. हाँ, तो मैं ये बोल रही थी that do you guys know how to use a filter in lives? क्योंकि मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. नवीन से भी नहीं हुआ, उसने भी ट्राई किया। रुको, नॉर्मल फिल्टर तो हो जाता है, गेम वाला फिल्टर नहीं होता है। देखो, उसको प्रेस करके रखो तब भी नहीं हो रहा, टैप करो तब भी नहीं हो रहा। Guys, have you all used my filter? What are you all doing? You all haven't used my filter, man. What the hell? इतने प्यार से आप लोगों के लिए बनाया है, आप लोगों ने मेरे को टैग यूज किया फिल्टर। थैंक यू। अभी आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हो? हाँ जी, मैं अभी भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हूँ। Somebody say, hi SK. Hi best friend. How are you best friend? Where are you best friend? So happy to see you here on my life. Thank you. If you try filters in the video, filters won't work out correctly. Okay. Yes, I have checked and tagged you. I'm so sorry. I will see it, Ananya. Born un unknown Chaudhary. Okay. Hi. How are you, SK? Long time. SK is gone. Bharat. Okay, guys, it was a lovely live. I'm so happy to see so many people here talking and asking questions, and we had a lovely, lovely time. I'm gonna go now and do another live session really soon. I think I should remove my makeup and quietly go to sleep because it's pretty late already, and I sleep early these days. So I'm gonna go off to sleep, and it was lovely talking to you. Please, Chani, show me the gift which has gifted you from your pet. It was just a flower, a plant, and okay. Bye, guys. See you. खूब सारा प्यार. Love you all. Bye. Bye. Okay, last, I'm just gonna check something and then go. Okay, I'm going. Bye.